Here we are in the kitchen. Let's make some bread. I'm gonna make apple peach bread. So, first thing I'm gonna do is take half a cup of butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of unpacked brown sugar. Two teaspoons salt. Now, I like to use iodized salt when I'm baking so that you can get that iodine in your body. Otherwise, I use all kinds of other salts for other things. Alright, let's whip this up. All nice and creamy. Let me see if I can actually end up bringing this blender closer so you can maybe see it a little better. How's that? Okay. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs. Cream those in. Eggshells will go out to my compost. Even in the winter, I compost. Two eggs. Cream those together while I rinse my hands, wash my hands. Ooh, beautiful. Alright, now to add the rest of our stuff. I literally use just anything I can get a hold of in my kitchen to make sweet breakfast breads, dessert breads. To me, breakfast breads and dessert breads are the same things because I use a low quantity of sugar in my baking all the time. So applesauce, one of my jars of peach jam. I made this myself out of fresh Georgia peaches. 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking soda, I need a new lid. I dropped my lid. Alright. Mix that all together nicely. And I'm going to get flour. Now it's a nice creamy mess. I'm going to add 2 cups, 2 1/4 cups of flour. I'm making a big mess. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of milk. We'll see how thin it gets depending upon. We want it right there at about a nice cake consistency. Then we turn it off and put it in our floured and greased pans. We'll be back. Alright, I got my 2 cast iron pans half full. Now, if you have well-seasoned cast iron pans, you don't have to spray them because they're non-stick. However, if you have glass pans or metal ones or cast iron that's not well-seasoned, then you're going to want to use lard, shortening, or non-stick spray, and flour. There we go. Fill them up half full to 3/4 full. Put them in an oven on 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes until the centers come out clean. We'll be back. There's my bread. Now, I'm never afraid to show you a mistake. They sunk and fell because, if I can get these up close enough to you, see those little holes that I was doing to test it? I got a little zealous and I tested it way too soon, and it was still like half liquid inside and it deflated. Same with the other one. It deflated. But it doesn't matter. They still work. They still cut up just fine. Alright, we're going to pull this out and slice it up, and we'll be right back. There we go. That is so pretty. Apple peach bread. Thanks for coming along on this adventure, and we'll see you next time. And remember, stay positive.